Hello, hello. It's another episode of our cocktail drinks again. So I don't know. It might be this the last video in the Philippines that I'm doing, but I still have no idea. Most probably the next time you see me again, it might be in my workplace. That is in Cayman actually. My boss actually is asking me to go flight on 25 of this month, but there's some certain things that we have to, follow the procedure, the protocol of the what is this? The COVID-19 right now. So there's a lot of things, So and then my overseas employment certificate also I have to file that also. So. Hopefully everything is gonna be done. So it might be hopefully end of this month with no other things. Hopefully, so gonna be there. Back to work. And the next time maybe you can see me in live. In my YouTube channel. I don't know. We'll see. I will ask my son how I can do it. So because he's the one who's my director, he's the one who's doing everything. So, well, thank you. So hopefully, I don't know, we'll see how it goes the next time. So if you want the drinks, just follow me in the at the Wyndham at the Grand Cayman, and hopefully that's gonna be happening soon. So it's not really busy right now. So the season is coming, but we have no idea yet how it goes because we have this COVID-19 right now. So we'll see. Hopefully we cross our finger and everything will be fine, back to normal, and we can have a gig again and sit in the bar, drink, have a good chit chat. So see you soon. All right. The drinks that I gonna make today actually is the Punisher. It won't punish you or anything, but don't get drunk, don't get sober. Drink moderately, and that's all about. So I got the Perrier. The last time I used the Sprite, actually that's the Tom Collins, but this is gonna be a Punisher. This is my drinks. The Soju strawberry, and then a Melon Liqueur over here, and then a homemade Tito's vodka actually. And this is the gluten-free. So if you're on gluten-free diet, so use this. All right. And that's why I'm trying to use a Finlandia actually, because this is the last bottle I got. So I don't know if this one Jigger good enough. If not, I can add a little of the Finlandia vodka. All right. It's not gonna be the same because this is the gluten-free and this is the regular. But if you sit in the bar, you never know, right? So, and then a grind and serve. So, by the way, my brother Nas, I see you soon, man. So, hopefully, my brother Nas, you can see me and having a chit chat again. He's another wannabe mixology in Cayman right now. So he's gigging up, he's gearing up even during the COVID-19, and he's still at work. So I see you, my friend. And then I forgot to tell you, I got the sweet and sour. So, or you can use the lime or the lemon juice and then add sugar syrup. That's gonna be different though. So, and then the cherry is my garnish, and then the calamansi also is my garnish. There we go. See it? Okay, cool. So let's start. This is not shaking, so just the glass. You have a nice highball glass. This is a little bit more bigger glass actually than the highball, but this is the glass that I'm gonna use because it looks presentable with these drinks, and it's looks like more ingredients. So here we go. Let me get some ice for you. By the way, it's been a while actually. It's working out with my paperwork and everything, and end of the day, and thanks God actually everything is it's working well lately, but there's a lot of road, like broken road is going that papers actually because of this what's going on right now in the world actually. So thanks God at the end it's good. I'm good to go. So hopefully here in the Philippines also when I'm flying, so there's no other things that give me trouble. So hopefully we'll see. All right, ice, scoop of ice in the glass. Now, actually, there's a lot of bartender now. It's like using the specific ice, like I'll do the clear ice and those kind of things, But the end of the day, it depends about your ingredients. It depends how you make the drinks. You have this clear ice or whatever is that. You believe in those. We have different belief, but it's just a presentation, and your ingredients gonna be good. That's a drink that we're looking for, It's not just like clear eyes or whatsoever is that, So I've been in this business actually like 27 years, so got lots of experience about lots of things, but scoop of ice. So I just put this in the pressure back again. And then first, the Tito's vodka. I have friends actually that this specific drinks that she drinks. Her name is Judy. Another good bartender I work with for a while, and now she work in the other place, close by. So this for you, my friend. Tito's with club soda. That's what she always drinks. I see you soon, by the way. So it's like almost a jigger, but that's what I'm saying. It's like it's not enough. So I have to add just a little bit. So it's not gonna be change the taste anyway. That's why I'm preparing this also. There's another vodka actually that I love to use. The Sabrufka. Sabrufka is really good for mixing drinks also. That's like really unique taste and really good vodka. It's a liqueur anyway, it's sweet, but it's good for mixing. And then a jigger of melon liqueur. I know this is gonna be a jigger. Exactly. Yeah. That's gonna be good. And that's it. I just try to finish whatever I'm stuck right now because soon I'm gonna be a little bit, maybe I'm not here. I don't know. We'll see. So I'm trying to finish all those ingredients that I used for a while. So if not, then I'm gonna drink. And then the Soju strawberry, a jigger, and we'll keep this out, the Finlandia, because this is the main ingredients. The Tito's vodka, and then the sweet and sour jigger. Smells good. Seen that? And then top with the Perrier. If you have any seltzer in your bar or club soda, use club soda actually. By the way, if you are in the States or Cayman Island or any bar like internationally, especially Americans actually, they always ask like, give me a soda. But you have to ask what soda actually, because Coke, Pepsi, Sprite, that's a soda. So either club soda or Coke or Sprite or Pepsi or whatever is like fizzy drinks. So be specific what you give to the guests actually. That's all I can say. All right. So this is your, look at, nice. This is your Punisher. Now a garnish with the Calamansi. My garnish is so cute in this glass anyway. And then the cherry. me get some straw. Voila. This is your punisher. Before we end up, please again don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, the Naked Mixology, and then my Instagram, Naked Mixology, and then my Facebook page, Naked Mixology. Please hit likes button. If you have any comments, just comments down below. And thank you so much, guys. Thank you for following me, and thank you. I see you maybe soon. Thank you so much.